Today we're going to talk about the problem with familiarity, that often we look at things and we think, I've heard this before, and therefore I know it. I've seen it, therefore I know it. So I'm going to give you a couple of short demonstrations to show how it that's not really the way things work. So what I want you to do is draw the Apple logo. So turn off your video for whatever length of time it takes and turn it back on when you're ready. What Blake and his colleagues reported is that about 1 in 83 participants was able to get it correct, get all of the attributes correct. In this case, the leaf going in the right direction, the correct number of leaves, the bite out of the side, and the dimple at the bottom. Even on a recall or a recognition task, which is considerably easier, 53% of their participants failed. Failed to identify which of these was the correct configuration of Apple logos or description. This is the correct one. Now you notice that in that figure a couple of slides back, they identified whether it was an Apple user or a PC user, because we expect that that might make some, might be helpful, that someone like me who uses Apples would do better than someone who doesn't use Apples. So what does this mean? Familiarity is not the same as learning, and you need to be careful to recognize when you are just responding based on familiarity. So what should you do instead? Do something that takes more processing. Define the term, explain it, use it in a paragraph, and apply that term to solve some sort of problem. And take care. Happy studying.